Hello everybody, so what we're going to be talking about is winterizing your hives. So, I'm just going to go over real quick what we're going to be doing. We're going to switch this over to, it has a smaller side on the other side, which you'll see in a second. And then, we're going to put some sugar up top if I don't have hive beetles. And that is really all you need to do to winterize them. Same with this hive, and I'll show you what to do in the nukes real quick. See with the nukes, or at least this one, has a little sliding door. You just want to close that. It's a little bit stiff. Just enough that about one bee can come out. Okay, let's head back over to my two bigger hives. Now, all you'll need is your hive tools, which I have two of them because it just makes it a lot easier. Okay, so what you want to do is take this, pry it up as so, and take this one, which J-hook works best because you can go and do this. You just take it, pop it out. I'm going to set you down real quick. I'll show you what it should look like. Let's see. Okay. See how this looks. Stick this back up in there. Alright, well, I don't know how much I'm going to be able to use of that, but it should look like this. A really small, maybe a little bit bigger hole. Okay. Pick your hive tools, go up top. Get my smoker running. Let's open up this. Oh, it's stuffy. There we go. Oh, got a beetle in there. Got him. Now, they ain't gonna be too happy just because it's a little bit cooler out today. Just give them a little bit of smoke there. Oh, my smoker is not running super well right now. Okay, then just want to take your sugar here, pop it open, sprinkle it all on top just so they have enough sugar. Now, usually I'll do a little bit more than this, but this hive's real healthy. So, that's just about all you have to do with nukes. Or not nukes, hives. Alright, until next time.